Hi, let's get straight into my Etsy sales for November. So week one, I did a gross sales of $719.32. And that's American dollars. My shop's in Canada. So you want to multiply these numbers by 1.4. Week two, a little lower. We did $561.95 in gross sales. Week three, we did $720.72. And week four, we did $990.03. So the total my shop did in November, gross sales, $5,387.44. My Etsy fees were $1,058.47. That roughly accounts to about 19% for Etsy fees. My advertising was $299.76. I upped it a little bit, and that accounts for about 5.5%. So typically every month, my Etsy fees with marketing run anywhere from 21 to 24%. I also have a Shopify website for my Etsy sticker shop. I haven't posted anything about that here, but that one did about $500. So in total, my sales were almost $6,000 for November, gross sales. So I'm still left over with a good amount, like for what I do and how much work I put into it. Mainly working on it 15, 20 hours a week or so. If you like that quick video, I'm probably going to make one every single month for my monthly sales. And I'm also looking to make weekly videos for my Etsy numbers as well. And then maybe you guys can get some motivation out of them. Maybe you're thinking about opening up your own shop, but you're hesitating. I would just go ahead and do it. I think it's about $15 to start a shop and just start listing if you're thinking of doing something on it. So if you have any questions about Etsy or Shopify, maybe I can answer them. Just leave a comment below. And if you want to see more videos like this, just please subscribe. Thank you.